Hey guys, Sarah here. Everybody's here as usual. Today we are going to be opening up our Boxycharm for November 2019. This box is now $25 a month. You get 5 hair care, skincare, makeup sort of items in this box. You also get charms that you can redeem in the charm shop. I think that's everything for this box. As always, if I don't know something is cruelty-free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, so make sure you're checking that out if you're interested in that. I also break down the value of the box in there, so yeah. Josie is chewing on a bone again. It's sort of her new thing. So if you hear that back there, that's what's going on down there. So yeah, let's just go ahead and open this up. Alright, so before I get into what's actually inside of here, I want to talk about this. So I got the box on a Saturday, and I checked my mail, what was it, Wednesday? And this was in there, and it said from Boxycharm, so I'm not sure why this came separately. I don't know what it is or why, I don't know. I just got a random package from Boxycharm that had this Moda 8-piece Pro Glam set inside of it. So yeah, let's just go ahead and open these up and see what they look like. Bronx, what's wrong? Oh, you want to help? You want to help? Oh, okay. So this is what the brushes look like. I know they're in plastic. They are a synthetic sort of brush. Okay, Jose. Hi, if you're new to my channel, I have dogs who are obnoxious in the background, so say hi. What I'm really drawn to, because I thought about maybe giving this away, but I love the handle on them. They look really, really nice, and they feel super, super soft. So I actually think I might give these a try. I just really like the way they look. Oh. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and open this up. All right. So when you open it up, it looks just like this. So it has a little card right here that normally has the theme for the month. I guess the theme is Stellar, says right there. And then when you open it up, it's going to have everything that we're getting in here as well as the values of them. First thing I'm pulling out is this like sample from Becca. This is the Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. And it looks like they picked what they thought would be my colors right down there. Okay, so this is what I thought maybe it might be. So it says swatch. You could have either gotten the Becca or a Pretty Vulgar complexion pack in your November box. And then it says to go to boxycharm.com and let them know which was your match so that they can, I guess, possibly send you foundation in the future. So that's cool. Just looking at the 3 colors that I have on here, I think olive is probably my color. Driftwood maybe could be an option. The bamboo color is definitely way too dark. Okay, so I definitely will do that and update my profile. Becca is cruelty-free, in case you did not know. They are cruelty-free, so that's good that they sent me that. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is more brushes. These are, looks like just Boxycharm brushes. Definitely very interesting. Oh, they are so, so soft. So this is what they look like. The shape on these is so interesting to me. I don't have any brush like this at all in my collection. So this is the Boxycharm 2-piece brush set, and it's valued at $35. So it says the large one is for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products, and the other one is a foundation brush. So I've really been into using brushes for foundation lately. I am sort of moved on from Beauty Blender. I've been using brushes for concealer, all that stuff. So definitely excited to give especially this foundation brush a try. Very interesting shape. It's 35 bucks. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from... I'm sorry? They are on something today. Okay, as I was saying, the next thing I pulled out was from Dose of Colors. This is a liquid matte lipstick, and mine is in the shade Nude Mood, which it looks like a pink sort of color. Definitely looks like a good color for me. Can I help you? I have tried, I think I have one of these. I must have got in a box. They are very dry when you wear them. They're not like the most comfortable thing, but they're not the worst, and they last for a pretty good amount of time, I'd say. Yes, ma'am? I'll go ahead and give a swatch for you. I definitely really like the color on this. So, definitely like my kind of nude, like a pinky nude is what I am drawn to. Yeah, I really like that. Very pretty. Alright, and the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick is valued at $18, so mid-range price for me. Not sure if I said Dose of Colors is cruelty free. Okay, let's see. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Kypris, I think is what it says there. This is Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. Okay, so now that I've pulled it out, I think this was the item I chose for my box. Boxycharm now has like a customization thing where you can choose one item for your box. Pretty sure this is what I chose. I can't remember what the other options were, but I chose this. I don't really know exactly what it is. It says to apply to clean skin, morning and night. Okay, so it says it's cruelty free on it. It's got nurturing amino acids and soothing botanicals. So to me it's some sort of like, I don't want to say it's hyaluronic acid because I'm not seeing that in the, oh yeah, sodium hyaluronate is hyaluronic acid maybe. So this I think is just some sort of like hydrating serum for your face. So I definitely will give this a try. And it is valued at $90. Holy crap. Yikes. I don't think I'd ever pay $90. Maybe. Maybe it's amazing, but doubtful. So the next thing I am pulling out looks like 2 masks from Vitamasques, which is not a brand I've heard of. It does say cruelty free on the back, so that's good. So I have a morning goggle eye mask and an evening goggle eye mask. So I'm not sure, is it gonna be like goggles, like a superhero mask? Interesting. I do like eye masks. It's probably like my favorite mask to do is eye masks, so I definitely will give these a try. They're valued at $12, so $6 a piece, so not too bad. Oh yeah, it does say, let me show you right here. You see there? Right there? It looks like it is a superhero mask, so should be fun. Yes, ma'am? You're a superhero? Okay, stop it. Why you gotta be into everything, ma'am? Josie! Oh, what do you need? Well, okay. Oh, now you? Don't you... You just came over here and did the exact same thing she did. Oh my god, you guys are too much for me. You're too much. Alright, so the last thing I have is a palette right here. This is the Celestial Thunder palette from Dominique Cosmetics. Let's see. It says cruelty free on the back, so that's good. I've never tried anything from this brand. At first glance, I'm not super drawn to the color story in here. I don't know. Like the one color I am drawn to is this Zero Gravity color right here, this gray color. I don't know. I've never tried anything from this though, so I kind of want to swatch it just to see what it's like. So I probably will go ahead and give it a swatch for you. Just do a couple shades here. So the shimmers are like amazing. The mattes are okay. It is just a finger swatch though, so I always like to say that a finger swatch is very different than a like actual eyeshadow on a brush. I'm gonna go ahead and try to deepen those up just to see if I can So yeah. So you can see the matte shades I was able to deepen up with another swatch. So they feel super, super creamy. There was a little bit of fallout I noticed on the matte shades, but overall, like, they feel super, super buttery. I like the way they feel. Like I said, the color story itself is not something I'm drawn to, but I definitely want to play with that gray shade. I think it's a really good fall color. And I think what's throwing me off is like this pink shade that I'm not a huge fan of. So if I take that out, if I just take that shade out, it makes more sense to me, in my opinion. I don't know. I definitely will give it a try. I got so many palettes lately. Good God. Let's see, let's get a value on the palette. Okay, and that's valued at $35 for 8 shades. I don't know if I would personally pay that for 8 shades, but I don't know. You let me know what you think down below. Okay, so that is everything I got in this box. Overall, I really liked it. I think my favorite thing was the actual Boxycharm branded brushes. I'm very curious to give those a try. And I'm excited for the Dose of Colors lip. It dried down really nice. It does transfer. I'm not going to say like it's transfer proof. It transfers. It's not a like no transfer lipstick. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this box. If you get this box, I'd love to know which variation you got. That's one thing about Boxycharm is there is like 20 different boxes that you could get. So let me know what you got in your box. And yeah, as always, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more dogs doing dog things. And look at that handsome boy. Who's handsome? Him. Yes, he knows. Hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.